opening up here in about 2 minutes, actually a minute and 10.
And ACB is currently at $8, so they're
So let's see what happens here. It's just going to have to be one of those days where we are see where the tone is in the first 30 minutes or so, and that's going to point us to where the rest of the day is. I mean, this has been a market that, you know, you could say there's some volatility to it, but really it's binary moves, right? I mean, you know, move up and sit, move down and sit. Let's see if we can get some actual trade here. All right, opening up here in 40 seconds.
Leading into the open here, 30 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen.
So retail sales were off slightly, 0.2%.